Hey everyone, Jace with Arctic Snowmobile by LEGO City. Set number 60032 contains 44 pieces. Recommended building ages are 5 through 12. So it appears we get a snowmobile with a ice boulder. Looks like a minifigure is possibly included. Let's open up this box and see what's inside. Have to tear it open. Okay. Nothing else in the box. So we have a folded printed instruction manual and 2 bags of elements. Let's see what the Arctic Snowmobile looks like after it's assembled. That was a quick, easy build. Off the left we have one minifigure. Let's take a look at him. His torso and pants are printed. He's got a head warmer as well to keep his head warm. Blue gloves. The printwork does flow to the back of his torso. He does have a single-sided head. Let's have a quick look at the snowmobile. The logo on the hood of the snowmobile is printed. Have large skis to keep the snowmobile stable. On this side we have a radio. We have a sleigh at the rear that is attached with a chain. This can be removed. A bit difficult to get it on and off. And on the sleigh we have an ice boulder. Top does come off. It does reveal silver. On this side of the snowmobile we have a small hammer to help possibly crack open the ice boulder. The snowmobile is scaled for minifigures. Let's let this gentleman have a seat. The handlebars do appear to be a little high. They could have been lowered a bit. Can't seem to get his other arm down. This is one nice little set. It is perfect to add to a LEGO City, a LEGO Winter theme, or as a source for spare parts. And this concludes the review for Arctic Snowmobile by LEGO City. Thank you all for watching.